Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is CIARA and I do videos on finance and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mortgage loan officer and a YouTuber, and I have helped thousands of people to buy homes, build wealth, so I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you will build wealth also. Getting ahead in this current economic climate can seem impossible. We've got prices soaring, inflation across the board, and things have just gotten harder financially. So if you're like me, you are looking for some ways to boost your income or to add extra streams. I've used these tips in my own finances, and it has helped me to overcome the inflation and to stay healthy financially. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some easy ways to make money online. You don't have to step foot outside your house. You can easily make $100 or more a day. So the first way is through e-commerce. There's the tried and true way that you can sell your own stuff online or resell things that you find. You can go to eBay, Etsy, Garage Sale, and Mercado Libre, to name just a few. You can also opt for print on demand. Print on demand allows sellers to customize white label products with their own design and then sell them only after a customer buys, completely eliminating the need to hold inventory. Most significant advantage print on demand offers over something like drop shipping, which we'll get into, is that you control the aesthetic of your products. So overall, print on demand lets you create customized products very quickly, and you don't have to worry about shipping or fulfillment since it's taken care of by your suppliers. And get this, since you have no inventory to worry about, it's a low risk, low investment way to make money online. Now that brings me to drop shipping. Now drop shipping is a business model where you don't keep the products that you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. This is also great because it's low to no startup costs as well. Clothing and accessories, jewelry, and home and garden tend to be the most successful selling products in the drop shipping category. A lot of people are making a ton of money this way. Now, another way to sell things is digital products. There's more effort required on the front end, but once you've created the product, literally it just makes money for you, passively. Another way to create a digital product is through online courses or workshops. So with these, feedback is your friend. There's tons of platforms that you can use to create a digital course, but after you've created your first course, you want to make sure you get feedback, and then you can go back and tweak it and make it better. Live elements like a live Q&A or a live webinar will raise the value of your course and make it stand out. And again, creating an online course requires a lot of effort and energy up front, but once you've created it, it just makes money for you passively. You can also opt to do coaching. That's something I've actually started. I do coaching for home buyers. I do a home buyer coaching session, and I also do coaching for loan officers. People who want to become loan officers or get in the industry need some guidance and direction and a plan and how to be successful. So shameless plug, if you need any home buying coaching or loan officer coaching, check out my Calendly link below. And then another way to make digital products is ebooks. Anyone can make an ebook. Joe Schmo down the street can make an ebook. But the key is marketing it and making it add value or making it valuable to other people. So you can really write about anything you know about and put it in an ebook and sell it. And again, that's something that will continue to make passive income for you. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you pretty much just get paid by sharing affiliate links. And this can be as easy as promoting things you use every day on Amazon. I know it's created 2 extra streams of income for me. Whenever I buy something on Amazon or people ask me where it's from, I can tell them, and then Amazon gives you a cut of that purchase. And the more people click and buy, it adds up. That is a really great program. I know a lot of people are using the Amazon program, but there's tons of different kinds of affiliates you can use and make money just by sharing things that you use every day. I know for me, I spend an ungodly amount of money on Amazon. Like, it makes me sick thinking about it. The Amazon affiliate program is perfect for me because not only can I share with you guys where I got the things that you're asking about or you're seeing, but I can also make a profit. When somebody buys the product from your link, you'll receive the credit for the referral along with a commission. Now, the commission amount depends on the affiliate and the products being sold. But again, affiliate marketing, chef's kiss. So easy, very little effort, no cost, great way to make extra money. Now, another great way to make money online is side gigs and freelancing. One of these options is online tutoring. As we know, during the pandemic, a lot of education turned virtual. So many schools and universities switched to entirely online classes, and the tutoring business was no different. In fact, the online tutoring business is expected to grow by 97.66 billion from 2023 to 2027. So there's definitely going to be an ongoing demand for online tutors. If you really enjoy teaching people and seeing people grasp concepts, then this is a really good, opportunity for you. You get to decide which subjects you feel comfortable helping others with, and you can set your own hours and rates. On top of that, you can freelance as a tutor more easily than ever with sites like TutorMe, Tutor.com, Fiverr, and there's a bunch more. You can easily find students that need your help, and you can make an extra stream of income. You can also pick up other side gigs or freelancing opportunities through sites like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're good at graphic design, you can design intros for YouTube, you can design banners, you can do video editing, photography. Like, there's so much stuff, even like really random jobs that you can do on those sites. If you can find a gig or a freelance opportunity that works for you, this is a great way to create another stream of income for yourself. I also say monetize a hobby or skill that you can offer online. I used to work with friends and family members to help them to repair their credit, and they would pay me for that. If you have any skill or hobby that you can offer online, then that is a great way to monetize a passion or a talent and to get another stream of income online. 4, participate in research. I have done about 2 research studies this year that I got paid for, and I got paid a really good amount actually, and everything was online. I had to be on video. It was like an interview situation. One was just like asking me questions, but there is a lot of research and surveying that you can get involved in and get paid. I would just Google it, and you'll be able to find some research studies that people will pay you for. I've done it, and it's been a great way to earn some extra cash in a very little amount of time. Try being a virtual assistant. Now, the national average salary for virtual assistants is $15.87 per hour, and salaries range from $7.25 to $37.50 per hour. You can also increase your income and earning potential by building a steady clientele and offering niche specific services. Really, the power in being a virtual assistant is getting clients and building up your clientele. Now, you may need to start accepting in the beginning small, lower paying jobs until you can build up your experience if you don't have any, and eventually, increase your rates and your pricing. You can make more money. Now, you can refer to your professional network to search for jobs or search for jobs online. You can make $25 an hour working online by simply doing transcription. And transcription is in demand for companies needing interviews, podcasts, and other audio transcribed. So for this, all you really need is to be able to hear words and type them into words. You may want to brush up on your typing, but in general, this is a really easy, great way to make some decent money online from home. Review apps, websites, and software. User testing will pay you $10 to give other companies feedback on their apps and websites, and it's a quick way to make money online. So all you have to do is answer some questions as you browse the website or app through a video, and each video is about 20 minutes long. So if you complete 3 in an hour, you can make $30 in an hour. So $30 an hour is pretty darn good. Some other sites you can try are Try My UI, Playtest Cloud, Userlytic, Testing Time, Userfeel, Software Judge, and Validately. You can also opt to be an online juror, which I think is so cool. If I can remember the site that I use, I'll link it below. But if you're somebody like me who's into true crime or the law, or you're just intrigued by it, you can actually get paid to be an online juror. This is another way to make some extra cash by really not putting in much effort. 9, you can buy and sell domain names. A little known secret is that people literally buy and sell domain names for profit. In fact, somebody who bought cars.com sold the domain for $872 million. To buy domains, you can go to GoDaddy, Namecheap, and then there's more. The key is coming up with domains that may be catchy or useful in the future and kind of holding on to those until you can sell them for a decent profit. I love this option because it's literally minimal effort. Is investing. Now, an obvious way to make some passive income through investing is to buy real estate. You can buy property that will give you rental income. You can do Airbnb, short-term rental. There's so many different ways to use real estate to make passive income. Now, for a lot of people, that may not be feasible. So if you're unable to buy a property full out, you can actually invest in really small chunks in real estate through sites like Arrive. With Arrive, you can actually buy small shares of real estate and earn rental income from it and appreciation. And with this, you also get the tax advantages of having rental income. There are certain real estate tax deductions you will then be able to take. It's simpler, faster, and less expensive than buying rental property straight out. It's really low investment. I mean, you can buy shares of property for as little as $100. There's no operational expenses, whereas if you are renting out a property to tenants or leasing or however, you're gonna have to keep the property up and deal with the management of it. This way you don't have to deal with any of that. It also diversifies your investments. So instead of just having to buy property in one area, you can get chunks of property all over the country. You can diversify the types of properties. You can buy in different markets, and it creates less risk. And this is a great way to have access to financing with no liability or credit history requirement. So definitely check out Arrived. I will have a link below. Great way to start investing in property if you are not ready to take that full leap and to get some passive income. 10, and something I don't hear many people talk about, is invest in the metaverse. Now, the metaverse is a virtual world where users can interact and do things they do in real life, but in virtual reality. For example, in the metaverse, you can do things like buy, sell, and rent out digital property, get a job, advertise for a business, create experiences, open a business or a store. The way you can participate in the metaverse is by joining a metaverse project like Axie Infinity or the Sandbox. You participate by investing in that project's cryptocurrency. So for example, Axie Infinity uses AXS and the Sandbox uses SAND. So, PayPal, credit cards, those things are useless in the metaverse. Now, the great thing about this is there is potential for high return in a short amount of time. But also note that along with that, there's high risk. But this is definitely an area that you guys will want to start tapping into. I believe it is the wave of the future. So you really want to get in there now if you can. And it's another great way to make some passive income. And it's creative and it's fun. So, okay, that was 10 ways that you can make money online in 2023. You can make $100 or more a day. I hope that one of these was helpful to you. If this video did give you some ideas and was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can be a part of the Honeybee fam. Hit the bell button so you can be notified when I upload. I love you to the bank and back, and I will see you in my next video.